Hello, and welcome to Q Garage. This is going to be the first video of hopefully many videos to come on this channel. This channel is going to be focused on automotive related content where I work on, repair, and do projects. I have a project lined up that I'd like to share with you guys and share my experience along the way. I will also be doing random work on cars, trucks, and motorcycles as it comes through. I am a aircraft mechanic during the week, so I only have time on the weekends to pursue my passion of automotive. My experience is I've grown up working on cars for pretty much my entire life. I went to auto tech during high school, and I know that doesn't mean a lot to people, but I found that I don't like doing it as a job. I found automotive more of a hobby, so I decided to go into aviation instead. My upload schedule will be inconsistent and random because of my job and the time I have on the weekend, but I would like to share my experience with what I do in the garage, and hopefully you guys enjoy it and can learn something from it. I will try my best to describe things as I do it, and I try my best to show you guys as I'm working on it. I hope you guys enjoy the content, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next one.